Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes B-Class. This is a B180 CDI, the diesel version 2015. We're going to be checking the oil level via the dipstick. So we need to get the bonnet open. In my case the bonnet is already open, but I'm going to show you the lever that you have to pull to get that bonnet released. So if you go into the driver's side here and you look down by the footwell, you will find this red lever. You pull it down and that will release your bonnet. When you get to the bonnet, so the front of the car, the bonnet will be shut, but it will be opened a little bit, and you need to put your hand in between the bumper here and the bonnet that will be here, just slightly open, and pull this yellow lever to the left. That, and at the same time with your other hand you pull the bonnet up. Once you've done that, get your bonnet up and pull this strut which will be sitting here, pull it out, and it's got a yellow bit there. It goes into that yellow section there. Once you have that done, then we have access to the engine and the dipstick, which in this particular model it's within the oil filler cap. So just before we take the dipstick out, I want to show you what the manual says about checking the oil level. It says here, and here it shows you some diagrams of what the dipsticks may look like. So in this case scenario I have the diesel version, the 1.8, well, the B180 CDI model, and what it says, it's release in these models, so like this one, release the oil filler cap and pull it out together with integrated oil dipstick. Wipe off oil dipstick, so you wipe it off and then you slowly slide oil dipstick into the guide tube to the stop and take it out again. If the level is between the minimum mark and max mark, the oil level is correct. If the oil level has dropped to minimum mark or below, top up with 1 liter of engine oil. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. The manual also states, make sure your car is in a level surface and preferably cold. If it has been running for a little while, let it cool down. If it's hot, it says let it cool down and then check the oil level. If you run it for about 5 minutes or so, then it's not hot enough, but you should leave it for about 10 minutes to settle before you check the oil level. That's what it says. So anyway, mine is stone cold. It's on a flat surface. So we take the oil filler cap out, we undo it and then take it up, and that's where your dipstick is. And we wipe it off as stated. Just clean it. And you will see the sections shown in the manual. We have one area here with a little arrow, one little line, and another line here with another little arrow showing you that the oil should be in between here and here, but basically halfway. It's what we're looking for. If it's down here, you want to top up about 1 liter. It's what it says. The manual also shows you that the car can burn up to 0.8 of a liter per 1,000 kilometers. So we push it in and we pull it out again. And mine is exactly at half. And the reason for that is because this car was recently serviced. So that was perfectly at half, which means my oil level is correct. Now we can just close that and close the filler cap. So having said that, that's pretty much how you can check the oil. I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.